Jai Hind Cadets, myself Tushar Dikeche, Chemistry Faculty in Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. In last session, we discussed about the atomic radius. Now today, we will start the ionic radius. Okay. So see here, firstly, what is meant by ionic radius? It is also important topic for competitive exam. Ionic radius. Now what is meant by ionic radius? Firstly, ionic radius is defined as the distance of valence shell of electron and center of the nucleus in an ion called as ionic radius. See, it is defined as the distance of valence shell of electron and center of nucleus, okay, in an ion. This word is important. अगर ये वर्ड नहीं है तो ये एटॉमिक रेडियस भी हो सकती है, करेक्ट. इन एन आयन व्हेन एलिमेंट कैरीज अ चार्जेस, या फिर एलिमेंट पे चार्ज कब आता है? जब कोई एलिमेंट अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करता है या फिर एक्सेप्ट करता है. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे अगर देखा जाए आयोनिक रेडियस के लिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल Na+, इट कैरीज वन पॉजिटिव चार्ज, मीन्स इट डोनेट्स ए वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो सेंटर ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, दैट इज सोडियम, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज हियर 2,8. So center of this nucleus to valence shell of electrons is called as the ionic radius. ये जो distance रहेगा न्यूक्लियस और सेंटर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस एंड वैलेंस शेल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन का, इसको हम कहेंगे आयोनिक रेडियस. नाउ let us discuss in period and group. What about in a period? Left to right. Let us see here. In period, left to right, ionic radius is decreases. And why it is decreases? Because effective nuclear charge increases. Electrons enter in a same shell. And due to this, effective nuclear charge in a period left to right increases. That's why ionic radius decreases in a periods. Now, let us discuss in a group. Top to bottom, down the group, ionic radius increases because number of new shell added. So that's why distance between nucleus and valence shell of electron increases. So down the group it is increases. Now one important thing in ionic radius is that when element donates electron carries positive charge, and when element accept the electron carries negative charge. So it form a isoelectronic species. It is also important topic. What is mean by isoelectronic species? Now it is discussed in a next session. So thank you and have a nice day.